Yep, you guessed it. We're back at the shop. And it's time to do some more welding. I can't believe it. It's been going crazy around here the last 3 weeks. We're running up on Christmas pretty soon, and everybody's just kind of cramming their stuff in here and just making us work like crazy, but that's all right. This one job is for my wife. It's a piece of kitchen equipment. And there might be something else I needed to weld in this video too, or not. I don't remember. I've done like 3 or 4 of these welding videos now, and I don't know which one's which anymore. So all right, everybody, let's get started. Come on. We got a pasta strainer. I don't think this handle's supposed to be like that. Yeah, it kind of broke. It's not supposed to do that. So we're going to set it up somehow. Going to use something heavy like that. Hey, look at that. That'll work. Impressive. Alright, I'm going to get suited up. No, wait a minute. Let me lay it this way. That's even better. That way it's not in the way. We'll come in here, something like that. Yeah. Alright. I got to set up the welder. I haven't fired it up yet, so I'm not using my gloves. I've got to swap this tungsten out because this is the big one. This is for doing big boy stuff. That's just too much tungsten for this job. I'm going to set this over here. And I'm going to use the 16th inch tungsten. Well, that's way too low. Alright, got to get a fresh one. Got me a new tungsten. I'm going to sharpen it up a little bit more. We're doing stainless, so we really want it very pointy. Alright, there we go. I'm all tripping over stuff. There we go. And this is how you set these tungstens up for a TIG welder. Yep, about like that. Looks about right. This guy screws in right here. Close enough. Time for a new cup. This thing's getting a little scorched. This thing's really sharp, so I'm going to use my glove here. I'm going to just push this in just a little bit. Looks about right. Tighten her up here. Good and tight, ready to go. Now here's the question. Yeah, we got to set this thing. This is generally a good spot to start, but I might go a little bit below it. And then we set it up for stainless. Grab this knob. He-man it. Of course, it just moved that. So that's great. Alright. Let's set for straight polarity. Do the high frequency on start. Power up. Go gas up. Gas is a little on the high side. I think I can work with that. Back to this guy. Pretty good contact between that and that. Decent pressure there. Alright, it's about ready. go to the table. Try not to bump it. That I can find. Make a side of my nines. Some thin shit. It's probably gonna be a nightmare. It is on the side. No. Did I get it? Oh snap, son. It kinda got it. Like the beam kinda get it over the wall. Oh, it did. Oh yeah, check. It did. Good. Woo! That's freaking hard, man. That's so exceptionally hard to do. Alright. Now we got a nice tack going on. Alright. Set it somewhere I can see it better. It's not pretty. I don't really want it to be pretty. Just need a couple of tacks, really. There we go. Smells like food cooking. Yeah, it does. Smells like some food cooking. That's it. Cooking, really. Cleaned up and burned through right here. Oh, yeah, it's still hot. It's still smoking. Yeah, it's still smoking. Alright, run some water on it. Stuff everywhere. We'll get it all nice and cleaned up. Huh. Well, that's it. Now it's time to get this thing over and get it cleaned up. We'll get these welds ground down and... Okay, here we go. Gonna use the air grinder or air drill with the grinding disc on it. Yeah. And we're gonna rough down the welds. These things are about 60 grit. Alright, time for some grinding music. This is gonna take a little bit. And now for the outside, same treatment. Not too bad. More to go. A little bit more to go. Now we're going to use a little buffer wheel on this little drill grinder and get it to kind of polish out all the tight bits. Got some, that's looking better. Yeah, look at that. I wish I could have ground it a little bit better, but it is what it is. It's not too terrible. Good enough for us. I can't see it from the working side. So there you go. Colander. Good enough for another 1,000 pasta meals, I would say. All right, that's all I had today. Till next time. Later. Y'all.